Well, the Grant boys came up to check the hives. And I'm going to learn them all about sheep ranking. We're going to doctor the sheep. We're going to trim one's foot, give it a shot, wrap it up. Pause.
Let's get started.
All right, Mama, you close the gate after. Come on, Brian. This ain't nothing to it. We're just gonna do the one.
Oh, we're still on one sheet. Just like that.
Easy breezy. Oh, you looking good. She's been limping on the right foot. This is known as a sheep manicure.
One of those high dollar $45 manicures.
Yeah.
Toenail polish. Sanitize. And tell me a paper towel on them. This one has a booty. Just to hold the medicine in. She has a. Ooh, looking a lot better, Nina. Huh?
Looking good.
She doing.
Right. Go.
Let's go, Phoebe.
Okay, it's bee time. It's bee time.
Go.
We're done with the sheep, and now we're going to the bees. Let's get started.
All right, just hey, watch this work and just no movements, okay? Just a little bit.
There we go.
Not
There's
bad.
honey right here. What about the other side? What's on it? More sap, Tony.
Just hold it flat.
And there's a lot.
Look at that,
We're
Dad.
gonna pull it.
Drawing it out all weird, but it's still edible. Still honey.
They drew it out different, and but the good news is it's still edible.
Next one. That one's not gonna slide that one over the edge here.
Ooh, this thing's heavy.
Caleb. So actually this hive right here where we're pulling all this honey, this second one that we're doing right now, this was the first swarm I ever caught. This was actually the first swarm we ever, me, Andrew, and our dad ever caught. So it's doing pretty good.
Been a long, hot day at the farm. We got honey. We got sheep doctored. Now we're gonna go have a fried bologna sandwich with honey.
We are?
Yeah, you like them? It's
Sure.
the extra thick bologna too now.
Sure.
RS.
We got,
Go ahead, wrap it up, baby.
we got 25 supers, or 25 frames, 2.5 supers. We did pretty good. We're gonna extract in a few days and bottle in a few days.
Well, what does them 25 weigh? How many jars?
I don't know.
A lot.
Thank
Lot
you
of
so
honey.
much for watching. Make sure you leave us like and subscribe.
That's my part.
You can say it now.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.